Yeah, we were using one of the biggest order writing tools that a lot of other companies use, and we would have our sales reps writing orders in this tool. I think one of the biggest challenges that we had is that for our product type, we have collections which might have 100 different variants, if not more. For example, one of our most popular collections, the Stella collection, comes in 14 different products, and each of those products has 16 different colors and then multiple sizes of each color. The problem that we had with our previous order writing tool was that unless you knew the specific SKU, which is very hard to memorize, unless you've been with the company for 10, 15 years, you wouldn't be able to search for the product very well inside of the order writing tool that we were using. So when we were introduced to WizCommerce, one of the things that was really great for us is that their search functionality is amazing. It has a much better fuzzy search, so you can type in Stella Green King, and it will pull up the exact product that you want, which was not possible in our previous order writing tool. So I think one of the biggest benefits for us is that it has democratized the process of taking orders. Now anybody, even a sales rep that has very little training, can come into our showroom and write an order very easily. I think the biggest thing really is the search. The search in WizCommerce is amazing. Like I said, you can enter a very rough phrase like Stella King Teal Quilt, and it will be able to pull it up. And then not only that, but it has a very modern interface where if you click into it, then you can select other variants as well. So even if I click into the product for Stella Teal Green Quilt, I can change it then to a queen quilt before adding it to the cart if the customer says, actually, let me get that in a queen. So that was super awesome. The other thing that we found really helpful was the ability to print barcodes and to be able to scan them in the showroom. That's something that really appealed to us because it further increases the speed at which we can write orders in the showroom. Finally, the last thing I'd say is that WizCommerce has a great UI. It feels like a very modern piece of software as opposed to some of the more legacy tools out there that, it looks like it was built a few years ago. I would absolutely recommend WizCommerce to everybody in our industry.